Guess what time it is? Another rebuild. Who would have guessed? Even though we're actually really close to our home base for this job, we still run into delays, and here's one of them. Sitting in traffic. There's not much traffic out here. But waiting for a pilot car so we can go down the road. We're so close to the farm, but can't quite make it. So here we wait. Not a big deal. It's a nice morning. So a nice little break as we wait. Let's see what these guys are doing up here. How come we're not moving, guys?
I don't know.
How you guys doing?
Good so far.
Yeah, who would have thought? Small town,
yeah,
small
little
rural
country
North
back
Dakota.
road, and we're down to one lane.
You guys have a nice looking rig here.
You know, we got a guy picking up cones.
All right, it's a good sign.
We're sitting here waiting for a pilot car, and then the road just opens up. Ain't that'll be a good starting story.
Is that the pilot car? All right. Here it comes. So one thing I mentioned, we're rotating out some office people just to get them some experience on different things that they're not directly involved with, but they hear about or they see come across their desk for paperwork, but they really don't understand what the part is, what it's for, how it gets installed. And that's where Eric and tomorrow Jeff, our accountants, will get a chance to do some hands-on work and see what it's like, what type of equipment they have and all that. So we're actually rolling up here pretty quick. They're putting a new blacktop asphalt road on here, and sure it's nice and smooth when they're done. Hopefully that's not black tar. It's hard to not think that that's not black tar. Look at that, black specks everywhere. That's not good on a white paint job. Set up the cameras, get a plan. Welcome.
Hello.
Here it is, the beauty. Oh my goodness, I knew it. I knew it. I felt that splatter on the windshield. I'm like, I wonder if that's tar.
Yep, figured that out pretty quick.
Oh, this is a bad deal. This is really bad. Oh man.
Yeah.
How does that even come off? Diesel? Well guys,
At least avoid it.
oh, we got a nice cat. Here, kitty. Oh man. This might have to be an intern project. I don't even know what to use to take this off. Not a fun job to look forward to, but we got to get it off somehow. Maybe you guys have some suggestions? Put them in the comments. Let us know what you think. Something that's not going to strip the clear coat off, but get it back to a clean state.